Hello everyone, it's Don once again with another look at the construction going on here in the Villages. This one's going to be a little different. We're only looking at two places. The first is the Southern Oaks Golf Course, which opens on Saturday morning, and the other is the Ezell Rec Center that had its preview on Tuesday morning. In this video, we're going to fly over each of the holes in order for all 18 holes. In the upper left or upper right corner, you'll see the yardages for all 5 of the tee boxes, as well as the par rating. The Southern Oaks course has 3 par 5s, 3 par 4s, and 3 par 3s on each of the front and back 9. All 6 of the par 5s are 500 yards or longer in length. Just because they're par 3s, don't think they're easy on this course. All 6 par 3s have water coming into play if you're playing from the tips. The front 9 wraps around the village of Citrus Grove, and the back 9 around the village of Case and Hammock. Both 9s of the Southern Oaks Golf Course border the Florida Turnpike, and there's a berm built along that edge that helps deflect some of the sound away from the homes. It's not perfect, but it does help. When the developer started building this area, they kept all the healthy oak trees that were standing. A few had to be cleared because they were unhealthy, and also there was no water here. This was all pasture land. So all the water you're seeing on the course, these are all man-made ponds and lakes. As I said earlier, all the par 3s have water in play. As you can see here, all the tee boxes are large in size, so they'll be able to move the tees around quite a bit to change the play of the game. Watch for the golf cart at the top of the screen. This is one of the ambassadors. I was a little shocked when I saw him run through like this. The course right now is in pretty good shape, even considering how immature the landscaping is. In a couple of years, this will definitely be a superior course. As we make the turn, let's stop in and take a look at the new Ezell Recreation Center. This rec center is named after Mr. Ezell, who's been involved with the design of all the golf courses since the beginning of the villages. The decor and furnishings of this recreation center are reminiscent of country clubs from days gone by. It's very beautiful inside. It's also very masculine, unlike some of the more feminine recreation centers like Avery and Waterlily. While touring this new rec center, I got to meet a member of the developer's family for the very first time. I got to meet Jennifer Parr. She was very gracious and justifiably very excited and very proud of what they had created here. I also got to meet members of the village's media group. These are the guys that take all the pictures and video and do the drone flights for all the videos that you see put out by the developer. I was really amazed when they all told me that they watched all my videos. And I also found out they're onto me. They've realized that I'm trying to beat them to the punch on any new items. Well guys, keep up, because I'm moving faster. All the decor in this new rec center is golf themed. There's pictures and memorabilia and that, but it's not over the top, unlike some places you might see. The Ezell Rec Center, like most of the others, is set up for just about any activity you could imagine. It all opens up this Saturday, the 13th of November. This recreation center also has a fitness center built into it. We're going to cross over Bexley Trail now and take a look at the back nine. The back nine, just like the front nine, starts out with a nice long 532-yard par 5. That's Bexley Trail on the left. It's leading up to the Southern Oaks Bridge that's under construction right now. Once you get across to the other side, you'll be in what's probably going to be CDD 15. While the water on hole number 11 doesn't really come into play too much, it's enough there to get into my head every time I play this course. I can feel it in my bones already. That's Case and Hammock on the right side of the screen. The line of trees coming up on the left is actually the top ridge of a berm that's about 30 feet tall that was built for this area. The proximity of the power lines to the tee box for number 14 made it a little more difficult to shoot, so we got a different kind of view this time. If you remember back to video number 91, this is where the Devil's Henchmen were hanging out, building these nasty little sand traps. At just over 6,500 yards, Southern Oaks Golf Course isn't really that long of a course, but having 6 par 5s really makes you work for it. I haven't had the opportunity to play this course yet, but I intend to in the upcoming week. I've seen most of it, either on the ground or from the air, and it looks absolutely gorgeous. It looks like it's going to be a lot of fun. If you've had the chance to play this course, leave a comment below and let everybody know what you thought of it. As we come up on the 18th hole, I want to thank you for watching my videos. If you've enjoyed this one, please be sure to hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe to my channel and turn on the notification bell. I'd also like to thank my sponsors for all their support, and I want to thank each of you for watching the videos also. Once again, I'm Don Wiley. Have a great day. Enjoy the rest of the video. Oh yeah, if you're one of those golfers that actually cares about the course ratings on that, at the end of this hole, the USGA course ratings are posted. Here's one last look at Sawgrass Grove and the Ezell Recreation Center.